Okay, everybody. So today we are going to discuss the area of different 2D shapes. The first 2D shape in front of us is a triangle, and we can see that what a triangle is. So triangle is half of a quadrilateral. We know this already. So according to the definition of the area of this triangle, area means how much space is inside. That is what the area of any shape means. Is this clear? So before proceeding to the area, you should know that what is the formula for the area of the right angle triangle. So first of all, you have to differentiate that what is a right angle triangle. Okay. Once you are ready with the shape that the shape is right angle triangle, so you must know that what is right angle triangle and what is the formula for the right angle triangle. So formula for the area of the right angle triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. That is the formula. Formula memorization is very much important in this chapter. Now you know this that height is always a perpendicular thing. So this is perpendicular line. You can see that already that this line is perpendicular to 6. So and height is always what? Perpendicular, which makes 90 degrees angle. So it would be 1 by 2, base is 6 and the height is 12. Now, for example, if this question can come in calculate non-calculator version as well. That is the reason देखिए calculator के ऊपर cross लगा हुआ है यहाँ पर. ठीक है? Because आप इसमें cutting कर सकते हैं. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So now we have only 3 multiplied by 12, which is 36 centimeter squares. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Proceeding
sir.
with the second question. Now they say work out the area of this triangle. Now again we can see that it's a right angle triangle. And the right angle triangle, the area formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. I always recommend students write the formula first, then put the values. 1 by 2, base is 9 centimeters, and the height I can see that which is perpendicular, it is 8 centimeters. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. I got 9 times 4, and 9 times 4 is 36 centimeters squares because area is a square quantity. Why is centimeter into centimeter? Because centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. That's what we studied in indices. When bases are same, we add the powers. This is 1, this is 1. So that is the reason it becomes centimeter squares. Look at the third question. Now you can see that calculate the area of the triangle. Three sides are given, but we don't have to take the hypotenuse. We know that the side opposite to the 90 is it is hypotenuse, and this is for example the base, and this is perpendicular height. This is perpendicular height. Okay, so again the formula is area is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. Do write height complete. Some students they write BH and they get confused with hypotenuse and height. So try to write the formula. So 1 by 2, we have to take 7.2, we have to take 5.4. Now you can see that calculator is take, so you can get this kind of question in paper 2. So what do you have to do? Just use your calculator and tell me what is the answer. I have the calculator with me. So 1 divided by 2 times 7.2 times 5.4. The answer is 19.44.
19.44, sir.
19.44 centimeters squares. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please try this question by your own.
Okay, sir.
Again, write the formula of the right angle triangle of a triangle which is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. Technically, the triangle is not a right angle triangle right now,
Sir,
but the
sir.
perpendicular height is given to us. Wait a minute. But the perpendicular height is given to us. ठीक है? This is not a right angle triangle, but the perpendicular height is given to us. G, Emma.
Sir, the area is 25 centimeters squared.
Okay, wait a minute now. So we can see that the base of this triangle is 10 and the height is given to us. So that is how we have to see that 1 by 2 times base is 10 times 5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So I got 5 times 5, which is 25 centimeters squares. That is the area of this triangle. Is this clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
try this question by your own.
Sir, I got the answer.
What is the answer?
228 centimeters squared.
No, it's not centimeter squares.
It's millimeter square, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, that is the reason they say that include suitable units. So where we go wrong, we just write that area is equals to 1 by 2. Base is 24 millimeter. Do write the units as well and 19 millimeter because sometimes we forget that the question was in millimeter and the examiner is asking us in centimeter. Or sometimes we have the centimeter and we give the answer in millimeters. So that's how where we go wrong. So we know that we gonna get millimeter squares. If you use the calculator, so that is 228, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please try this question by your own. Area is equals to half of 16 centimeter times 7 centimeter because 7 centimeter is the height given to us in the question. So it's 7 are 56 centimeter square. Is this right, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Good,
sir.
good job. Okay. Now in this question, they say that Jaden is working out the area of the triangle. He says the area of the triangle is 28 centimeters square. Explain why Jaden is wrong. Because area of the triangle is 1 by 2 times 7 times 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 7 twos are 14
Four,
centimeters
sir.
squares.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? This is what
Sir.
mathematical this is
Yes,
what
sir.
mathematical explanation is, okay? Mathematical explanation कुछ इस किस्म की होती है. Clear है बेटा?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. They
Yes, sir.
say
Yes,
that
sir.
a triangle. Now, in this question, a triangle has a base length of 14 centimeter squares and the perpendicular height is 9 centimeter. So, in this question, the shape is not given. So, what are we gonna do? We just gonna draw the shape by our own. The base is 14 centimeter and the height is 9 centimeter. Is this clear? Now, they're just asking us the area, which is half of 14 times 9. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So 7 times 9 is 63. And the unit will be centimeter squares. Is this clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So now you will
Yes,
attempt
sir.
the rest of the worksheet by your own, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So just wait a minute. All right. You can use this website, okay? Corbett Maths.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the second shape we have is a trapezium. It is what?
Trapezium.
After triangle, we have the second shape, which is trapezium. And the formula for the trapezium is, let me write the formula for the trapezium. That is, area is equals to half multiplied by sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides times height of the trapezium. ठीक है हाशिर बेटा ट्राइंगल मैंने पढ़ा दिया तो ये आप बाद में खुद करेंगे रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना शुरू के 2-4 मिनट की ओके अब ट्रेपीजियम का एरिया हो या किसी भी 2D शेप का एरिया हो अगर आपको फॉर्मूला नहीं आता तो यू विल स्ट्रगल अ लॉट बेटा you have to check your thing because Emma and Saroj they can see my screen and my voice as well Okay. Now they say that sum of parallel sides. First of all, we have to see that which sides are parallel. So this side is parallel to this one. These red lines are parallel. They are what? They are parallel lines. Get it? So this is 6 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. I'm gonna name this as L1 and that is my L2. And the height of this one is 3 centimeter. So this is my height and the height is 3 centimeter in the question. So just let me write the formula. So formula is half of multiply by L1 plus L2 times height. So bracket L1 is 6 plus L2 is 10 and the height is 3. So A is equals to 1 by 2 times 6 plus 10 is 16 times 3. I can do some cutting. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So area it is equals to 8 times 3 which is 24 centimeters square. Okay, so that is 24 centimeters squares. You can get this question for 2 marks in the examination. Okay, look at the another question. Work out the area. So formula of the area is equals to half multiply by L1 plus L2 times height. So L1 plus L2 means 9 plus 15 times height, which is 4. So 9 times 15 is 24. Multiply by 4, divide by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twelves are, so 12 multiplied by 4, which is 48 centimeter square. I hope this is clear to all of you. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hashir, is this clear to you? Hashir, can you hear me?
सर वो कंपेनियन मोड पे माइक वगैरह नहीं अलाउड है।
तो माइक आप बेटा आप कंपेनियन मोड पे क्यों आए हैं?
और वो कह रहा है मुझे स्क्रीन नजर नहीं आ रही।
तो रीजॉइन करो। अगर घर का इंटरनेट ठीक नहीं है तो 3G पे आ जाओ। Area is equals to 1 by 2 into L1 plus L2 bracket close into height. ये फॉर्मूला साथ साथ याद करें, मैं बार बार फॉर्मूला इसीलिए लिखता हूँ। 1 by 2 into L1 plus L2 is 5.2 plus 10.8 and the height is 4.5. अब इसमें कैलकुलेटर अलाउड है हमें, तो हम लोग कैलकुलेटर के जरिए कर सकते हैं। सो हम लोग रफ पे भी कर सकते हैं कि 10.8 प्लस 5.2, तो ये 0 पॉइंट अपनी जगह पर, 1 ऊपर, तो 11 प्लस 5 is 16. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 4.5. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So area is equals to 8 multiplied by 4.5. So
36
area is equals to what?
36 है 36।
So 36 centimeters square is the area. Look at the question very clearly. Hashrab, आवाज आ रही है?
Sir.
4.5 into 8 is 36. Okay, good job. एक और क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ। ओके जी। Now they say that find the area of the wall. So we have to find out the area of the wall. Now we can see that in this question it's a trapezium because it has two pairs of parallel lines. These two are parallel lines and now this is the height. ठीक है जी? So you can see that this is my L1, that is my L2 and this is my perpendicular height. So area is equals to half of L1 plus L2 which is 2 plus 3 and the height is 7. So area is equals to half of 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. And 35 divided by 2 is 17.5
जी
meter squares.
यस सर।
Okay.
सर
Please
इसकी
try this.
ऊपर
Sir.
वाली की समझ नहीं आई सर।
इसकी
यस सर, ये 3 और 2 कैसे हो गए पैरेलल हो गए?
क्यों पैरेलल नहीं है? आपको नजर नहीं आ रहे एरोस?
अच्छा अच्छा, एरर है। ओके सर।
ठीक है जी। ओके नाउ बेटा डू दिस क्वेश्चन बाय योर ओन। करें, मुझे आंसर बताएं।
Sir, it's 130.5 centimeters square.
यस। ओके, हाशिर और सरोज आपका भी आंसर सेम
सर
आया।
यही ठीक है सर।
ओके सो यहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे DIY, डू इट योरसेल्फ। सो लेट्स प्रोसीड। Now in this question the area of the trapezium is already given. We have to find out the height. So we know that the formula is 1 by 2 into L1 plus L2 times height. Area is given, which is 63 half. L1 plus L2 means 6 plus 12. So 6 plus 12 is 18 and the height is unknown. 63 is equals to 18 multiplied by height divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So 63 is equals to 9h divided by 9 on both sides. So height is equals to how much? It's 7 centimeter. Yes or no?
यस सर।
Yes,
And
sir.
remember that there is no formula for the perimeter. In the perimeter, we have sum of all sides.
ओके
All right. In this question, L1 is given, L2 is missing. So we have the same question, but different unknown. 1 by 2 into L1 plus L2 into height. We can see that it's my L1. This might be L2, and that is the height. Area is already given, which is 34. 1 by 2 into L1 is 6 plus x and the height is 4. So now we have to use our mathematical skills. What we are going to do is we can multiply 2 on this side, so it becomes, or we can do this thing as a 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Yes or no? So 34 is equals to
यस
2
सर।
multiplied by 6 plus x. Now divided by 2 on both sides. So I want to cancel this 2. So 17 is equals to 6 plus x. 6 comes here, it becomes minus. So x is equals to 11. So that is 11 centimeters. Easy, everybody.
यस सर।
Yeah, sir, I didn't understand it.
So it's the same question in which one of the parallel side is missing. Okay. I named that side as
Okay,
L2.
sir.
So what I did this with a help of subject making. So what I did in this part, you can see that very clearly. एक मिनट जरा मुझे दें. You can see that in this part, what I did, I just cancelled 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Can I?
यस सर।
Sir.
So then it becomes 2 multiplied by 6 plus x divided by 2. So then I cancelled this 2, dividing by 2 on both sides. So 34, half of 34 is 17. Get it?
Okay, sir.
On the right hand side, I have only 6 plus x. I'm interested to find out x, so I brought this 6 here. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now they say that it's a club logo. We see these logos on a billboards outside any brand, etc. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what we can do, they asking us find out the area of the logo. So for the area of the logo, we should know the area of these two shapes. And now this is 8, so that for sure is 4 centimeter because the top one is a square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So area of logo, it is equals to square plus trapezium. Yes or no? So area
Yes.
of the square, it is equals to length square plus area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into L1 plus L2, which is 4 plus 8, and times height is 2. So 4 square is 16 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So 24. So 2 ones are 2, 2 into 12. So 16 plus 12 is 18 centimeters square is the area of this logo. Any questions, anyone?
No, sir.
Because it's a compound shape, and whenever we have a compound shape means it can be the combination of two or more shapes. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
If you know the shapes, you know the formulas, you can solve each and every question. For example, if the question is find the perimeter of the logo. So you remember that perimeter is the boundary. So we have to add this. Oh, wait a minute. We have to add this 4. This one, we need to find out this one because perimeter is the sum of the boundary. Yes or no? The inner 4 is not in the boundary, so it is not in the perimeter. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Look at that. Shown below is a triangle and a trapezium. The area of the trapezium is 4 times the area of the triangle. So let's find the area of the triangle. That's easy for us. So it means that according to the question, they say that area of trapezium, it is equals to 4 times of area of triangle. Is this clear? That is what the description means. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Area of the trapezium is equals to 1 by 2 into L1 plus L2 times height, and area of the triangle is 4 times area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is 1 by 2 times breadth into height, base into height, which is 20 into 21. So can you please do this calculation for me? 20 into 21 divided by 2. 20 into 21 divided by 2. So the answer is 210.
Sir, it's sir, uh,
It's 210, right?
840.
20, okay, yeah, वो बाद में हम multiply करते हैं. So now it's 1 by 2. Okay, L1 देख लें. L1 is for example 48 plus L2 is missing and the height is 24. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So I can do some cutting. 2 ones are 2 and that would be 12. So it becomes 12 multiplied by 48 plus x, that is equals to 840. So now divide by 12 on both sides because I want to cancel this 12. So 48 plus x is equals to 840 divided by 12 is how much? 70. 48 goes on the right side. So 70 minus 48 is,
22.
so 22 is what? 22 is the value of x, which is one of the parallel sides of the trapezium. Easy?
Yes, sir.
Easy,
Yes, sir.
everybody?
Yes, sir.
So you will do the rest of the questions by your own. We can proceed with another shape. Okay. So one of the most important shape from exam point of view is the semicircle, especially in your class. I saw this question in your sample paper as well. Shown is a semicircle, so let's discuss circle first. For example, you can see that it's a circle. And this is the center of the circle, and the line passing from the center of the circle and touching 2 points of the circumference is known as the diameter. So I can say that AB is diameter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a diameter. And for example, that point is O. So OB is what? It's a radius. So in circle, we have two formulas. The first formula is of area. Area is equals to pi r square. And the circumference means boundary of the circle. Circumference means boundary of the circle. Okay. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Okay, now in this question, you can see that it's half of the circle, means semicircle. Work out the area. So work out the area. We know that area of the circle is this thing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So area of the circle is already this thing, which is pi r square. Agree?
Yes.
But this
Yes, sir.
given question is in the form of what? It is in the semicircle. So I'll divide the formula by 2. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So pi and the radius is 6 square divided by 2. So that would be 36 pi divided by 2. So the answer is 18 pi. Is this clear? So use your calculator and tell me what is 18 pi equals. Press 18, then shift and then a button with answer. Beside answer is 18 pi.
56.4, sir.
So 56.5 is the answer, beta.
5, 5.
56.5, so it would be centimeter squares, okay? It is a square quantity. Shown is a semicircle, work out the area correct to one decimal place. So the diameter is given. So diameter is 10 centimeter. So the radius is how much? 5 centimeter. Area of the semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. So pi r is 5 square divided by 2. That is 25 pi divided by 2, which is 12.5 pi. So check in the calculator, write 12.5, press shift and the button beside answer is pi. So the answer is 39,
39.2.
no 39.3. It is 39.26. Now the examiner is asking to give the answer till one decimal place. This is first decimal place and number after 2 is 6, which is greater than 5. So the answer would be 39.3 centimeter squares. Easy everybody, G Emma.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a, it's a very an irrelevant question, sir. But when I pressed shift and pi, it didn't show up as pi.
I don't think so. Can you see that the button with answer is X 10x?
Yes, sir.
What is behind that button? Pi?
Yes, sir.
So shift and press this button now.
Okay, sir.
You got the pi?
Yes, sir. But sir, when I press is equal to, it doesn't show up. It doesn't. It shows up as 18 pi again.
So
Sir,
press S and D.
yes, S and D.
Oh, you have to press S and D. Okay, 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 okay.
So what is the answer?
56.548.
Yeah, it's for the previous question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please read the question and do it yourself. Work out the area of the semicircle and leave your answers in terms of pi. So this can be the part in your paper one. Do it yourself and tell me what is the answer.
100.5, sir.
100 point
5.
what? पाई में
Uh,
आंसर बताओ पाई में डोंट यूज कैलकुलेटर
सर वो आता है 8 स्क्वायर 64 एंड डिवाइड बाय 34 पाई
32 पाई
32 पाई सर एंड
तो यही आंसर है
ओके सर
लिखा हुआ है ना बेटा कि लीव योर आंसर्स इन पाई डोंट यूज द कैलकुलेटर बिकॉज ये पेपर वन में आ सकता है देखो कैलकुलेटर के ऊपर क्रॉस लगा हुआ
यस सर
है ओके शोन बिलो इज द क्वार्टर सर्कल मींस हाउ मच सर्कल
सर हाफ से भी कम हाफ
One
का
by
हाफ
four.
Sir,
One fourth.
one
One
quarter
fourth.
of a circle.
yes so it would be pi r square divided by 4 okay that is what a quarter circle is so pi r is 4.6 square divided by 4 so it's a calculator version question you can use a calculator. Press the fraction button, press shift and pi, then right bracket. 4.6, close the bracket, take square, divide by 4. The answer is 4.6 529 divided by 100 plus D, so 16.61. So 16.6 is the answer. Everybody, is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I think circle is easy now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can do your, okay, what about this one? The semicircle below has an area is given. We have to find out the radius. So write the formula for the semicircle, which is pi r square divided by 2, and that is equals to 40. It is already given. So r is y. So I will write pi y square divided by 2 is equals to 40. So 2 will go there. So it becomes pi y square is equals to 2 into 40 is 80. So pi y square is equals to 80. Now divide by pi on both sides, first of all, and now take square root. Y square is equals to 80 divided by pi, taking square root on both sides. So y is alone now. So use your calculator, press square root button, then press fraction button, write 80 in the numerator, write pi in the denominator. Write pi in the denominator.
5.04, sir.
5.046, 5.046, and okay, so we have to write 5.04. Is this clear? या 5.05 लिख देंगे क्योंकि 6 है ना, 5 से बड़ा है, 2 डेसिमल प्लेस पे छोड़ दिया मैंने, ठीक है भाई।
सर हमने स्क्वायर रूट इसलिए लिया क्योंकि दूसरी साइड पर स्क्वायर था।
वाई स्क्वायर था ना, मुझे वाई चाहिए, वाई स्क्वायर नहीं चाहिए, इसीलिए स्क्वायर
अच्छा,
लिया।
ओके सर।
चलें जी, उसको मैं सेव करता हूँ, बाकी क्वेश्चंस आप लोग खुद करेंगे।
सर वो एक ऊपर वाला था, वो हाफ कट वाला, 20 किलोमीटर में जा सर।
तो क्या हुआ?
सर तो इसको फिर हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे मीटर में।
नहीं ना, इन्होंने क्या कहा है, आपने पाई में आंसर देना है।
अच्छा ये भी है, ठीक है सर।
ओके जी, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, सेक्टर है पेपर में?
सर पास पेपर में तो नहीं, सेक्टर नहीं है सर।
सिलेबस में नहीं था सेक्टर, है ना?
देखता हूँ सर।
मैंने देख लिया। चलें जी, 2 क्वेश्चन पढ़ लें जरा। कहता है कि on the grid below each square represent 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Draw a rectangle with an area of 10 centimeter. So area of the rectangle is equals to length into breadth.
हाँ सर,
Area
माइक
is
बंद
10,
करो सर। हाँ
length
सर,
into
कमेंट
breadth.
से शोर आ रहे हैं।
So we know, हाशिर बेटा माइक जरा बंद कर दें। हमें एक ऐसा रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करना है जिसका एरिया जो हो ना वो 10 सेंटीमीटर है। तो हमें पता नहीं है कि L क्या है और B क्या है। वी नो दैट के L के 10 के फैक्टर्स हैं 110 एंड दैट इज 25। अब यही 2 फैक्टर्स हैं, हम 2 और 5 का भी बना सकते हैं। कैसे, जरा देखें बेटा। ये हो गया मेरे पास 2 और ये हो गया मेरे पास 5। देख रहे हैं भाई?
यस सर।
यस
ठीक है,
सर।
हमने 2 5 का भी बना दिया। अगर हम 110 का बनाए तो क्या हम बना सकते हैं? देखिए हमारे पास 10 बॉक्सेस हैं,
यस
1 2
सर।
3 4। हमारे पास 10 बॉक्सेस नहीं, हम वो नहीं बना सकते इस ग्रिड पे। यस और नो? ऊपर से आके देख लें जरा। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 हम नहीं बना सकते इस पे 10 वाला, ठीक है?
सर 8 ग्रिड है इसलिए।
हाँ जी, क्योंकि ग्रिड्स 8 है। 10 होते तो हम बना लेते, 110 वाला भी, उसका भी एरिया 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर जाता। 1 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ 8 सेंटीमीटर वाला, तो 8 के फैक्टर्स क्या हैं? 1 और 8 और 2 और 4। तो इसमें शायद हम दोनों बना सकते हैं। तो चेक करें 1 और 8, एक रेक्टेंगल ये हो गया और इसका एरिया भी आएगा हमारे पास कितना? व्हाट वुड बी द एरिया ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल? 8 होगा कि नहीं?
यस सर, 8 होगा।
ओके, और 2 4 वाला भी बना सकते हैं। ये हो गया बेटा 2 एंड दैट इज 4। समझ आ गई?
यस
यस
सर।
सर।
ये अगर आपने ऐसे भी बना लिया तो वो भी ठीक है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, इन सब का एरिया देखें 8 आ रहा है। यू कैन सी दैट इसका भी एरिया 8 है, इसका भी एरिया 8 है, इसका भी एरिया 8 है। कहता है द डायग्राम शोज अ रेक्टेंगल, वर्क आउट द एरिया इंक्लूड यूनिट्स। सो एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ। लेंथ हमेशा बड़ी वाली होती है, सो 12 into 3 12 into 3 is 36, तो यूनिट होंगे सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. क्लियर? इसका एरिया होगा 7 into 3, एरिया इज इक्वल टू 21 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. क्लियर?
सर रेक्टेंगल इजी है.
चलो फिर मैं इसको स्किप करता हूँ. बस काफी हो गए, काफी सारे क्वेश्चन हमने इसमें भी कर लिए.
यस सर.
डन. डिलीट पीडीएफ. ओके जी. फिर आते हैं पैरेललोग्राम पे. पैरेललोग्राम इज व्हाट? इट इज अ टिल्टेड रेक्टेंगल. ठीक है, ये क्या है बेटा?
Tilted
Tilted rectangle.
So the formula for the area of the parallelogram is base into height. Memorize this formula. Tilted rectangle and it's a base into height. So now you can see that the base is here. I can see that it's 4 boxes and the height is always perpendicular. So that will be the height. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So area would be base is 4 and the height is 5. So 4 5 are 20 centimeters square. Is this clear, Hashir? ये slant वाली height कभी भी नहीं हो सकती.
यस सर.
Shown
सर
below is the parallelogram. जी.
यू आपने हाइट कैसे हो?
The boxes गिने हैं ना. Boxes गिन लिए थे मैंने.
ओके सर.
ऊपर लिखा था 1 by 1 each box is 1 centimeter.
Good. Work out the area. So it would be base into height. The base is 8 and the height is 3. So 8 threes are 24 centimeters square. Area. So area is equals to 12 into 4, which is 48 centimeters square. Clear, everybody?
यस सर.
sir.
Okay. Try yourself. ये कैलकुलेटर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं इसमें.
सर 32.94
हाशिर आपका क्या है?
सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर.
हाशिर आपका क्या है?
32.94 ही आया सर.
Okay. So 32.94 centimeter squares. यूनिट भी बोला करें एरिया में. अच्छा, एरिया इज अ स्क्वायर क्वांटिटी. हाँ जी, करके बताएं. बेस क्या है बेटा?
सर बेस 11.2 है सर.
और हाइट?
5.2.
बस खत्म हो गया क्वेश्चन. आसान है बेटा, कर लेंगे खुद ही के नहीं.
यस सर कर लेंगे.
अच्छा ये देखें, एक अगला ये कितना आया आंसर? 11.2 इंटू 5.2.
Sir, 58.24.
58.24 बोले. 24 क्या होता है?
Sorry, sir.
ओके. कहता है द डायग्राम शोज एबीसी ऑन सेंटीमीटर ग्रिड. द पॉइंट डी इज प्लॉटेड ऑन एबीसीडी इज द पैरेललोग्राम. सो लेट मी जस्ट जॉइन दैट. So it's a tilted rectangle. So A to B boxes हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. तो D यहाँ पे आएगा. Yes or no?
यस सर.
तो ये आपको अक्सर पेपर 1 में दे देते हैं कि पैरेललोग्राम करो. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये टिल्टेड रेक्टेंगल है. और जब टिल्टेड रेक्टेंगल है तो इसका मतलब है कि ये डिस्टेंस और ये डिस्टेंस सेम होगा. इज दिस क्लियर?
यस सर.
चलिए ठीक है, मैं बस वर्कशीट नोट्स में भेज रहा हूँ. सेफ. रोम्बस भी सेम ही है. अच्छा, बेस इनटू हाइट होता है.
Okay, sir.
ओके, तो ये लास्ट वाला था. चलिए जी, अभी इसके बाद
सर
आपकी कौन सी शेप है?
सर रोम्बस भी करवा लेना. एक क्वेश्चन करा ले सर.
करा देता हूँ. करो करो. समझ आ गई बेटा इस सारे लेसन की?
यस सर. यस.
चले बेटा, बाकी फिर मैं आप लोगों को कल की उसमें करवाऊंगा, ठीक है। आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है, आज के लिए ये करा लें, मैं रोम्बस की वर्कशीट बनाऊंगा खुद ही, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है बेटा, ये मैं रिकॉर्डिंग करके मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा, लिंक आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर दूंगा। आप लोग अगर अपने क्लास फेलोज के साथ शेयर करना चाहें तो कर सकते हैं, बस ठीक है।
ओके।
ठीक